This is how to get free virtual Visa card for your online payment. The good thing is that you can also attach this card to your PayPal for your online transactions. This is AirTM, the platform that will help you get your free virtual dollar card in no time. If you are new to AirTM, all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. As soon as you sign up and you verify your account, you can get your dollar virtual card in 2 ways. The first method is to come down here. You can see this 3 dots, you tap it on your app, then you scroll down, you see virtual card, you just tap here. The second method is to come back to home. You can see this, you slide it to open it. You can see spend anywhere with your USDC, which is equivalent to US dollar. You can see Visa card. All you need to do is to tap it. Pay smarter anywhere. Use your US issued virtual card for global purchase. Look at this place. Creating and funding your card is on us. That is for free. To get your free virtual card, you tap create card. You can see thank you. It's as simple as that, especially if you already verify your AirTM account. You will need to do that before you get to this place, and it's very simple. The next thing to do is to go and access your virtual Visa card. As soon as you get back to home, you can see the card is already created. This is my PAN number and this is my name. For you to fund your card, you tap here plus to fund your card. Look at my current balance on AirTM, and all I need to do is to input the amount I want to spend, maybe $2, and you scroll down, you tap continue. You can see withdrawing using virtual card. You will send from your AirTM account $2. You will receive in your virtual card $2. So all you need to do is to tap submit. You input your authentication and tap confirm. Before you know it, your dollar card account will be funded. For you to be able to retrieve your PAN number for your online transaction, all you need to do is to tap card detail. You'll be able to see your PAN number and all the details that you need to do transaction online using your Visa card. And you can also use this card with your Google wallet so that you'll be able to make payment through Google Pay. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. You will learn and get to know how to use this card on various other platforms like your PayPal, and how to incorporate it with your Google Pay. You can now create your free virtual Visa card for your online transactions. Don't forget to watch the next video. You see how to get your free virtual US bank account irrespective of your country. Ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I'll get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.